In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a newsletter in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then go to campaigns. So next from here, click on the create button. Then next choose email in the left panel. So here you can choose regular email. Now enter your campaign name in this text box. Then click on the begin button. Now, in the two sections, select the audience you want to send the newsletter to, and after that, click on Content, then click on Design Email. So, here choose a template to start with a blank layout. And once inside the email builder, use the drag and drop builder to add content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social links. And once you're done designing the template, click on Save and Exit. Now here, set up more email details including the subject line, preview text, and from name so your subscribers know who the email is from. Before sending, make sure you see or view a preview and test to check how your newsletter looks on desktop and mobile view. Once done, click on the send button or click on send time to change it from now to schedule with a specific delivery date and time if you want the newsletter to go out at specific time. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!